Hi, everyone. My name is Oscar Morataya, and I'm the founder of EzDiyRemodel.com, which is listed up here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the account, and you just go to the website that it's listed here, and then you click sign up. The Google sign in button is not working at this point, so I'm going to put my name here, last name. And I would enter my email address, but it already knows that I used that field before. And then I'm gonna enter the password. I'm gonna enter a new password. Okay, there you go. And then I'm gonna acknowledge the terms and conditions. If you want to read these, you want to right click on it and click open link in new tab. And that's going to show you the privacy document and other things. At this point, you are ready. You selected this radio button, so I can click sign up. Okay, I'm going to update the password. Okay, and now it said here there was a message here that I needed to verify my account. So I'm going to pause for a second and then come back and show you that email. All right. So here is my email that I received from support at EzDiyRemodel.com. And I just need to confirm that I got it. And I should be able to sign up right after that. So I'm going to log in. Okay, that was easy because this is my first time that I logged in. I can just simply add a home. I can type in whatever home. I can click here, but it just simply highlights this field here. So I can type my address. Let's see, let's use this address here. And it will send you to the subscription page or the add features page. This is sort of like a subscription because um, because we want you to get the free account for you to play with. You can pick this one that says free. It's the Rising Star, and you should be able to get one home to play with, your home. You're a homeowner, and you can do plumbing, draw walls, and things like that. And then if you want a technical support, you can add $4.99 monthly technical support if you wanted to pay for that, and that is to help you use the application. There's also a developer appreciation. If you really like a feature and you'd like to let us know, you can go there. And then also, if you want to develop a new feature, you want us to develop a new feature, please let us know by submitting a request that you want to do that. But for now, just gonna click free here, and it picked up my address that I used before, so I don't want to change any of it. If I click next, it will prompt me for a phone number. So I'm gonna use a phone number here. I'm gonna use a made up phone number just for the fun of it. And I'm gonna click next. This is my billing address. We're not charging you anything, but it's just this billing address to capture that information. And then you would be prompted to acknowledge the subscription agreement. And the way that it works is that you would have to read all the way to the bottom and it becomes active. So I can click agree, and there is your house. Um, so this is how you would log in and add a home if you're a homeowner. If you're a contractor, you can go to the subscription page. And I noticed that because I added the subscription, it says I'm active until 2022. Um, this may be 6 months. It just depends how we. This is probably 6 months. It's going to be in the future, but for now it is fine that way. So you can if you're a professional, you can actually pick this option here, which would give you full technical support, and it is $11.99 monthly. And then if you are really wanting to support the app, you can actually purchase the Build with Confidence, and that would give you the opportunity to add more homes if you wanted to. By the way, like if you wanted to have 2 homes that you want to manage and so on, you can purchase that as well. Okay, so that is everything. I can click this link here. It'll take me back to the home page, and when you click on it, you can actually start drawing. So that's going to be shown on another video. So I'll see you in the next video to draw your house. Thank you.